Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all our hearts: setting and achieving your goals for 2025. As we look ahead, it's the perfect time to reflect on what we truly want to accomplish and how we can turn those dreams into reality. First off, let's talk about the importance of setting clear, achievable goals. It's not just about wishing for something, it's about creating a roadmap to get there. Start by asking yourself what you genuinely want to achieve in 2025. Is it a career milestone, personal development goal, or perhaps something related to your health and well-being? Whatever it is, write it down. There's something powerful about putting pen to paper that makes your goals feel more tangible. Once you have your goals outlined, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This is where the magic happens. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the big picture, focus on what you can do today, this week, or this month to move closer to your aspirations. For instance, if your goal is to run a marathon, start by setting a weekly running schedule. Celebrate those small victories along the way. They'll keep you motivated and remind you that progress is happening. Now, let's talk about accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust: a friend, family member, or mentor. Having someone to support you can make a world of difference. They can offer encouragement, help you stay on track, and even celebrate your achievements with you. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to stay flexible. Life can throw unexpected challenges your way, and that's okay. Adaptability is key. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to reassess and adjust your plan. The important thing is to keep moving forward, even if it means taking a different route. Finally, visualize your success. Take a moment each day to imagine what achieving your goals will feel like. This practice can boost your motivation and reinforce your commitment. Picture yourself crossing that finish line, landing that dream job, or achieving that personal milestone. That vision fuels your determination. As we wrap up, remember that setting and achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, learn from the challenges, and celebrate every step you take. You have the power to make 2025 your best year yet. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more inspiring content. Here's to a fantastic year ahead filled with growth and achievement.